So guys, Canada denies asylum, moves to deport retired officer Wale Akempelu wife for serving in corrupt Nigeria police force. So now it's more like it's a crime to serve in Nigeria police force because of what they see them as a corrupt police force, and they don't know that all these things they're doing to Nigerians, that the world is seeing the power of social media. Everything they're doing, the harassment, the embarrassment, the illegal extortion, the illegal beating, illegal arresting they're doing to Nigerians, they don't know that people are seeing it. And now an ex or a retired police officer, Wale, went to apply for asylum. Then what is asylum? Follow me through. Let me show you what asylum means. Asylum is protection granted to people who fear persecution or harm in their home country. So that's what asylum means. They want to go to another country and seek for protection, maybe due to a harm or a threat coming from their home country. They want to go there to seek for protection, and now they deny them because of what they are serving, or they served in corrupt Nigeria force. You see that this government is only thing they're good at doing is tarnishing the image of Nigerians. Let me tell you one thing now. As a Nigerian looking for an online job, you might be qualified, but because you are a Nigerian, you are automatically disqualified. I have a friend that was applying for an online job, a remote job. He's a web developer, and then he met all the criteria that needed for that job to be given to him. And then on the day that job was meant to be given to him, they found out that that person is a Nigerian, that my friend is a Nigerian. And guess what? They automatically told him that it cannot work. Why? Because you're a Nigerian, that they cannot trust him. These are the things that our government have cost us. They have not only caused us pain and hunger, they've cost us worldwide embarrassment, worldwide racism. Because what is all this thing? You say that somebody is qualified for a job, but because he's a Nigerian, he is disqualified. Exactly what happened in this thing now, where Canada say that they cannot give asylum to this family because they once served in a corrupt Nigeria force, and they think that all these things are doing, that the world are not seeing it. The world are seeing all these things. So just follow me through this article so we'll know more of what happened, and more reasons why Canada said no, that they cannot give that asylum and that protection they need. So follow me through. Canadian immigration authorities have denied the asylum application of retired Nigeria police officer Wale Akempelu and his wife Ajaret Mojorola, citing his previous employment under the Nigeria police with a reputation of corruption and human rights violations as a stumbling block to his request. They've known Nigeria police force to be a force that are always denying people of their human rights. As human being, our rights, we know we have right of protest, freedom of speech, but all these rights have been taken away by the Nigeria police force. You see that they do arrest our protesters because they don't allow them to feel or express how they feel. That is violation of human rights, and that's how the world have pictured Nigeria police. That means they cannot even get visas to travel anywhere in the country, and I hope that they keep denying all of them so that they will learn and unlearn, because they say that experience is the best teacher. If they can learn from that, it will be good. So Justice Norris of a federal court in Ottawa, Ontario, on January 2nd, rejected the refugee status request of the Nigeria couple who fled Nigeria in 2017 and claimed that a criminal gang was after their life. So they left Nigeria 2017, and then they perceived that there are some threats in their lives, and they want to apply for asylum, which they were denied. So Ms. Akempele was the first person to travel to US. That means the wife traveled first before the husband joined him in October. The wife traveled May 2017, and the husband joined him October 2017. Shortly after quitting his job as an officer with the Nigeria Police Service, court filings seen by People's Gadget stated the couple left the US for Canada in 2018 and immediately sought refugee protection, asserting that they were in danger of being harassed and attacked by a criminal gang. Court filings show that the couple admitted that Mr. Akempelu's former corrupt colleagues as the Nigeria police had calls to settle. So that means they have basketballs in when he was the officer with his colleague, and then Nana felt that those colleagues might be after their lives. That's why they went to apply for the protection in Canada, which they were denied. So a statement that led the Canadian immigration authorities to immediately suspend his asylum request. Mr. Akempelu's asylum application was subsequently denied on grounds of violating human and international rights due to his past employment as a police officer in Nigeria. A judicial review of the matter upheld the denial. The foreign government separated the couple's applications into two to allow the processing of Ms. Akempelu's documents while her husband's own is being suspended. The Refugee Protection Division, that is the RPD, later in March 2019 rejected Ms. Akempelu's asylum application, having found loopholes in her claims of needing protection. She appealed the rejection. The Refugee Appeal Division granted her appeal and ordered a fresh hearing of her case. The RPD again denied her Asylum in February 2023. So this man have kept on applying, and they keep on denying, and she said that she will not give up. She kept applying. So upholding a previous decision that she was neither a conventional refugee nor a person in need of protection because she had not credibly established the core elements of her claim. So Ms. Akempelu marched to court to seek redress, claiming her asylum denial reeked of procedure, unfairness, and unreasonableness. But Justice Norris said that the RPD found that her application was predicted on the documentary evidence provided by her husband, which was riddled with inconsistency. This matter is long, but the whole case is that they denied these two people asylum because of what? They are working in the Nigeria force, and they've seen Nigeria force to be a corrupt Nigeria force where they violate human rights, where they tell people not to express how they feel, because that's only what the Nigeria police are doing in this country. They will see a youth that is doing well, driving a car, a good car, automatically they will paint their boy a Yahoo boy that he's into fraud, forgetting that people are into other businesses that are getting the money, forgetting that people can be fortunate enough to have a rich parents that can buy them those vehicles. But because they have this mindset that every youth in Nigeria is a scammer and into fraud, that's why they are illegally extorting money from the youth, and they will force you to be a Yahoo boy. They can go to your phone, your laptop, your house, everything, and they find out that you are not a Yahoo boy, but they will still find a way to paint you a Yahoo boy. That is the total mess we are in this country, and that's why they've painted the whole Nigeria as a corrupt people. Because in Nigeria we still have good ones, but because the bad ones have overshadowed the good ones, they cover everybody, or they call everybody a corrupt person. Because the most important thing is that in Nigeria can no longer look for a job online that pays a very good job because of what is in Nigeria. That's what our government have done. So I'll see you guys in my next video. As video watch now in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. See you.